Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. A descriptive paragraph is a type of writing that describes a person, place, thing, or event in detail. Its main goal is to help the reader imagine what is being described, as if they can see, hear, feel, taste, or smell it. A sample of a descriptive paragraph. A memorable day at the beach. We remember that when we were children, our father decided to take us on a journey to spend our summer holiday. What we wanted was to go to the beach, our favorite place to spend enjoyable time together. We arrived there around noon. We had brought our food, juice, desserts, and some chips with us before we got there. We had prepared everything together, including roast chicken, fried potatoes, lemon juice, and bread. It was such a scrumptious meal. We sat under the umbrella to enjoy our meal, and we all loved the pleasant atmosphere. After lunch, we took a leisurely stroll along the shore, barefoot. The golden, sparkling sand beneath our feet felt soft and warm, and the weather was perfectly sunny. In the evening, we suggested playing some games. My brothers preferred to play ball together near the beach, whereas I liked collecting seashells to make jewelry. The beach was extremely enormous, and we could see several families enjoying their time there. The view of the beach was absolutely breathtaking, with stunning surroundings all around us. As I approached the shore, I felt a cool, refreshing breeze. We felt comfortable and relaxed. It gave us a deep sense of satisfaction. As the sun began to set, I sat on the soft sand, watching the deep maroon sunset paint the sky with its gentle glow. We also took some photos. It was an unforgettable moment in our lives, and I still cherish these vivid recollections of our journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. That's all for today. See you in the next video.